Once at the time of Hajj, there was a gathering in Mecca of some friends of Allah, the youngest among whom was Junaid Baghdadi, may Allah be pleased with him. In that gathering, there was a discussion on the subject of love for Allah and as to who is the love of Allah. Many of them expressed their views on the subject, but Junaid, may Allah be pleased with him, kept quiet. He was pressed to say something. With his head bowed down and tears in his eyes, he said, "The lover of Allah is he who forgets his own self, remains engaged in Allah's remembrance with due regard to all its requirements, sees Allah with the eyes of his heart, which is burnt by the heat of Allah's fear. Allah's remembrance affects him like a cup of wine. He speaks the word of Allah as if Almighty Allah speaks through his mouth. If he moves, he does so under the command of Allah. He gets peace of mind only through the obedience of Allah. And when such a stage is reached, his eating, drinking, sleeping, awakening, and in short, all his actions are for the pleasure of Allah. He neither pays heed to the worldly customs, nor does he attach any importance to unfriendly criticism by people."